Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Excellence to Infinity. Hope you all are doing good. Now let's get into our topic. Today's topic is going to be HCF. Yes, today's topic is HCF. I know I have previously said about HCF, but in this video you are going to learn what are the different ways in which we can solve HCF. Now let's get into our topic. The full form of HCF is, as we already know, it is highest common factor. Now let's see what does the HCF statement says. If there are two numbers, let's imagine there are two numbers A and B, then the HCF of those two numbers is X, then X is the greatest number which divides both A and B. I repeat, there are two numbers. Let's imagine there are two numbers A and B. Then the HCF of those two numbers is X. Then X is the greatest number which divides each of A and B. Also, I would like to tell HCF can be done for more than two numbers. So now let's see what is the example. I'm going to take 50 and 60. So 50. While doing HCF, there are two rules which we need to follow. Is that first rule is that smallest number should be always taken as divisor, and largest number should be taken as dividend. And then the second rule is we need to do HCF particularly in this method till we get 0 as our reminder. Now let's see, 51 is 50 and reminder is 10. Now as we didn't get 0 as reminder, again 50 is going to be our new dividend. Now 10 5 is 50 and reminder is 0. So now let's see, if there are three numbers 50, 60 and 70, then how we'll do HCF. Once HCF is done for two numbers, then the latest divisor should be taken as divisor, and the leftover number 70, 10 7 is 70, and the HCF is 10. Also, one more thing which makes our HCF easy is that when we see a series of numbers, or else when we see the numbers, first we need to check whether all these three numbers are divisible by any number. Now let's see this. These three numbers are divisible by 5 as well as 10. All these three numbers are divisible by 10, so there are most chances that 10 can be our HCF. Now let's see, I'm going to tell 2 4 and 6. The HCF of the three numbers will be definitely 2. Now let's try it for once. 2 2s are 4 and 0, again 2 3s are 6. Now let's see one more. Let's see different numbers. Now let's see for 18, 27 and 45. As I said, first rule, which is the smallest number should be divisor, and dividend can be any of these two. I would like to take 27. So 18 ones are 18 and remainder is 9. 2s are 18 and now reminder is 0. So this we need to divide this 45 with this HCF, which is 9. 45, 9 5 is 45, and all these three numbers are divisible by 9. So that's how it makes some of the HCF problems easier. And if you don't find all these numbers are divisible by one number, now let's say 2, 4 and 7, then there are most of the chances that our HCF is going to be 1. Let's see, 2, 4, 2 2s are 4, 0, and again 2, 7, 2 3s are 6 and 1. This 1 is going to be new divisor and 2 as dividend, 1 2s are 2 and 0. So I'm repeating, if the numbers which are given are divisible by the same number, in short, are all those numbers comes in same table, then there are most of the chances that that number is going to be the HCF. If there is no common number or no common number which is divisible, then there are most chances that HCF is going to be 1. Now let's see what are the different ways in which we can solve our HCF. Here we go. Now I'm going to take 24, 30 and 45 as my example. I'm going to show the first method, which is factorization. In this method, we need to find out the factors of all these three numbers, which is 24, 30 and 45. There are many ways in which we can find out factors, but now I'm going to show the method which I always follow while factorization because I really find it easy. Let's see. First one, 1 into 24 is equal to 24. And second is we need to write all the numbers. We need to check whether it is divisible by which number and what is the multiplication of those numbers. Next, let's see it is divisible by 2 or not. 2 into 12, and also it is divisible by 3. 3 into 8, then again 4. Let's see, 4 into 6. 24 is not divisible by 5, and then again it is 6. 6 4s are 24. 6 is already here, then 8 is already here, then 12 2s are 24 1s are. So all these are factors of 24. Again I'm going to do same process. Now 1, as we already know, 1 and itself are always factors of any number. 1 into 30. Next, as 0 is a even number and it is always divisible by 2. 2 into 15. 3 into 10. Then again it is not divisible by 4. Also it is divisible by 5. 5 into 6. Again it is divisible by 6 into 5. 10 into 3. 15 into 2. 30 into 1. Now third one, 45. 1 into 45, it is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. 3 into 15, it is not divisible by 4, but it is divisible by 5. 5 into 9, not with 6, not with 7, not with 8, and again 9 is here. So these are the factors of 45. Now let's write all these factors here. 24 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, 8, 12, 24. For 30, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. For 45, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Now the HCF of these numbers is, I can see 1 is a common number between all these three, and then 3, there is no 5 in this, and so as there are 1 and 3 are common numbers, but our topic is HCF, which is greatest number, so 3 is the answer, and HCF of all these three numbers is 3. Here we go with the second method, which is prime factorization. So in my first video, which is introduction to complex numbers, I have already said about prime numbers. If you haven't watched it, please go and watch. But to understand this topic, once again I'm going to tell, prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible only by 1 and itself. They doesn't have any other factors. Those are called prime numbers. And the reason behind this prime factorization is that any composite numbers are nothing but non-prime numbers. Any composite number can be we can break them into prime numbers. So that's the reason this is called prime factorization. In this method, we need to do LCM for all these three numbers, which are 24, 30, 45. So LCM for all these three numbers. Now let's do LCM for 24 first. First, by doing prime numbers, we need to start from first prime number, which is 2, 12, 2, 6 are 12, 2, 3s are 6, and that's it. And second number, which is 30, 2 15s are. Now this 15 is not divisible by 2, so we should go for the next number, which is 3. 3 5s are 15, and also 15 is prime number, so we can multiply this. And next number, which is 45. 45 is not divisible by 2, so we should go for next prime number, which is 3. 3 1s are and 3 15s are. Again we should go for 3. 3 5s are 15. So these are the prime factors for these numbers. There is a difference between factors and prime factors. So now we need to write all these prime factors here. 24 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 30 is equals to 2 into 3 into 5, and 45 is equals to 3 into 3 into 5. Now let's see what is the common number between these three numbers. So here the HCF is equals to, we need to multiply all common numbers, all common factors, multiply. So here I can see 3 is the common number, as there is only one number, so HCF is 3. I would like to show if there are more than one common number, how the LCM is going to be. So for that I am going to take 42 instead of 45. Okay, now let's do LCM for 42. First number is 2, 20, 1, and it is not divisible by 2, so 3 7s are. Now let's see what are the factors for 24, 30 and 42. 24 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and then 30 is equals to 2 into 3 into 5, and for 42, 2 into 3 into 7. Now here I can see 2 and 3 are common numbers. So HCF for these three numbers is 2 into 3, which is 6. Now let's go for the next method, which is division method. Here we go. Our last method is division method. And I'm going to take 20, 30 and 45, these three numbers. Now, as I said earlier, smallest of all these should be our divisor, and we can take any one of them as dividend. I'm going to take 30. 24 ones are 24, and now the subtraction between these two is 6. Now also I said second rule, which is in HCF we need to perform division till we get 0, especially in this method. So 6 is going to be our new divisor and 24 new dividend. 6 4s are 24 and answer is 0. Now this 6 should be again divided with the remaining numbers. 6 7s are 42 and remainder is 3. So 6 is going to be new dividend. 3 2s are 6 0. So HCF of these three numbers is 3. That's it for today. Hope you liked my video. Please do like my channel. Please do subscribe my channel and let me know how was my video in my comment section. Thank you.